Saturday the 26th. We finally got a little bit of sun. It's gonna be about 65 for a high. But a better weekend coming, in the 70s for the weekend. So we're just getting a little bit of wind therapy. Enjoying what we can. We had rain and cold, frost warnings. So, out for a little ride. I don't know how long it's going to be. Stay tuned, keep watching, and don't forget, subscribe. Okay, we're looking for the big Clarion Airport. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, the airport's this way. Okay, we'll have to check this out. A place for Toe to come and visit. Pack his bike up in, was it Bob's airplane, and fly it in. Okay, this is the big airport. Check it out. I wonder if there's a Plain Jane's up here.
Definitely land in here.
Yeah. What do you think, Toe? Can you make it?
We'd really like to see you.
That's a good enough airport for you. Look at that. It goes way down there. Check it out. Will I make it? Nope. Cool place. This is a pretty cool place. Well, we'll take a ride around the parking lot. Down in this area, the airport, they have camping for tents. I guess you can put a camper in there, self-contained. And there's a stocked bass pond that you can go fishing in. Now that's an airport.
Absolutely.
And what did he say? They got, a demonstration.
In June.
The 20-something of June, they can fly.
Fly-ins, fly-outs type thing.
Just a little demonstration. But this is pretty cool.
So Toe, pack a bag.
Maybe he can borrow Bob's Yamaha. Maybe put air plugs in because it's open pipes.
Yeah.
All right, so that's the big Clarion Airport.
Mission completed.
Yeah. Actually, one more thing. The manager, guy we were talking to, he's originally from Massachusetts.
Yep.
Reading
well, his family is.
His family is.
Yep. Reading and Ipswich. He moved up here and said he feels sorry for the people in Massachusetts. So do we. So do we. And we're off to another road. We hope it's something.
Yeah. We're gonna see where that takes us. Exploring again. So, stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Woo! So you don't miss anything. It is a bit windy today. Anybody want a home? They got a few places where they make modular homes. They're all ready to go when you're ordering. We're on a new road, Rehoboth Church Road. I thought it was lane, but Rehoboth Church Road. We'll see where it goes. It runs parallel to 80. Route 80 would be on our right. checking this out. Looks like a nice road. Maybe we'll see some lions and tigers and bears. Oh my! There's a nice view. Yeah.
That's pretty.
We're on Orleans Trail, heading back to 66. Ah, a stone chip. Another beautiful view. And that's in front of us. And that's to the left of us.